If your Stripe refund isn't working, it can be frustrating, especially when you need to return money to a customer quickly. Yeah, this usually happens because of insufficient balance, payment status issues, or account restrictions. But don't worry, in this guide, I'll show you how to fix Stripe refund problems step by step. First, make sure the payment is successful and completed. You can't issue a refund on a payment that's still pending or failed. Next, check your Stripe balance. You need enough available funds to process a refund, otherwise it may fail. Refunds usually go back to the original payment method. Make sure that method is still valid and supported. If your account has restrictions or holds, refunds may be blocked. Look for alerts in your Stripe dashboard and resolve any issues. After fixing any issues, try processing the refund again. Temporary errors can sometimes cause one-time failures. If the refund still doesn't work, contact Stripe support. They can review the transaction and help resolve the issue quickly. And that's it. Following these steps usually fixes Stripe refund issues, so you can process refunds without problems. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more Stripe troubleshooting tutorials.